How to photograph your jewellery. Capturing the beauty of your jewellery is crucial to attracting buyers and giving your pre-loved pieces the best chance to sell. To help showcase your items, follow our photography guide. 1. Before photographing your pieces, give them a good clean to ensure the metal shines and any gemstones sparkle. 2. Lighting is crucial to showcasing your items. Find a well-lit area that has plenty of natural lighting or position your jewellery near a light source to minimise shadows. 3. Try to create a blank background to keep the focus on your jewellery. One way to achieve this is to fold a plain piece of paper in half to create homemade lightbox. 4. Take multiple images of your jewellery from different angles to show off all of its beauty. For the primary photo, focus on the front of the item so we can remove the background to integrate into our website. When you're happy with your images, upload them via our Sell at Home tool and let Jolly's Jewellers take care of the rest.